Today's story is called Six Pigs Hop. I'm going to read this story to you, and then I want you to practice reading it on your own. This is what it sounds like. Six pigs sit in a pen. Sit, pigs, said Jen. Be good. Now six pigs hop in the pen. Hop, pigs. Jen is not here. All six pigs hop and hop. Hop, pigs, hop. Six pigs hop over the top. Six pigs go for a dip. Six pigs hop in. Six pigs can play. Six pigs can see Jen. She can see six sad pigs. Six pigs can sit. Six pigs can dig in the pen. Jen can see six pigs dig. Sounds like they found a good way to play without having to leave their safe area. I hope you enjoyed reading this. If you want, you can listen to me read it again, or you can keep practicing trying to read it on your own.